Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. Today, my friend is visiting us and I'm making a favorite sweet that contains jaggery syrup as a base. She also loves to do beauty treatments. So I thought I'll make jaggery face pack with the remaining jaggery syrup for both of us to apply. She has oily skin and I have dry skin. So I'll be making two varieties of jaggery face pack for both of us. I'm using organic jaggery, so I have not strained the jaggery syrup. But if you're not using organic jaggery, make sure to strain the jaggery syrup before using. Take a tablespoon of wheat flour. Add in a teaspoon of honey. Finally, add in the jaggery syrup to make a smooth paste. Mix well. Jaggery, also called as good in Hindi, is rich in glycolic acid, and glycolic acid is amazing for our skin. Glycolic acid reduces fine lines and wrinkles, exfoliates dead skin, and treats hyperpigmentation. It smoothens skin and brightens dull complexion. But try to use it in its natural form like jaggery instead of using isolated glycolic acid that comes with certain side effects like skin peeling and irritation. To use, apply it all over the face and neck. Wait for it to almost dry and then wash it off. Take a tablespoon of clay of your choice. Add in a teaspoon of honey. Finally, add in the jaggery syrup to make a smooth paste. Mix well. I have used bentonite clay here. If you're suffering from extreme oiliness, I would highly suggest to give it a try. Bentonite clay acts like a sponge. It absorbs dirt and excess sebum. Too much sebum can lead to acne. It also has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which helps the skin heal. Choose either one of these face packs depending upon your skin type and use it regularly weekly once or twice. If you're living outside India, you can use blackstrap molasses instead of jaggery syrup. Do give this treatment a try without fail. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information about herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.